What's going on, Aces Nation? Look at this. It's a jug. I know you guys may probably be thinking, we've already seen this already. But, no you haven't. I only showed you how to make one of these. So, yeah, this is jug. It's red. Just like the jug in Black Ops 2 and Black Ops 1 and World at War. So, yeah, that's our first perk. And then we have all of these beauties. Look at all the beauties. We got all the beauties. So, our next perk that we have, Electric Cherry. This is a personal favorite of mine that I've made. I think it looks really, really cool. The lid on the top. The red is just a nice red color. I'm trying not to knock these down. Voltorade. It's a lighter red than the Electric Cherry. You guys might not be able to tell the difference, but if you may actually make this, it's a big difference. Well, not a big difference. It's a small difference, but I think it looks pretty cool. I just actually got done making this one. It's kind of not patted down yet. I gotta kind of fix that a little bit. But I like this one a lot. This one's probably my close favorite to the Electric Cherry. Next one, everybody's hate perk. Tombstone. It's a peach coloring that I use. Well, it's not coloring, but it's like peach. You know, peach, I use lemonade and like drops of red food dye just to make like the peach color. Peach coloring. You might have to do some adjusting if you're gonna make that, but yeah. The next one. Double tap 1 and double tap 2. Double tap 1. Top label. Double tap 2. The double tap 2 front label's not the best. Top, that one's better, and then that one's the same thing as this one. It's not accurate. This one's the most accurate. It looks just like the game one. So yeah, to make these, yeah, I used Sunny D and Sunkissed orange soda. So yeah, this will be going up on both my channels, by the way. Not just the Insane Aces, but the Insane Aces plays, just to show you guys what I have done and what I've been working on. So the next one, we got Stamina Up. You guys are probably going to be real familiar with it because Stamina Up is my logo. It's my favorite perk in the game just because I love to be able to run around fast. It might not look yellow, but now it does. It's kind of a yellowish red. I mean, not a yellowish red, yellowish orange tint. But yeah, it's a yellow kind of thing, concept. The bottom looks orange, sort of, but I like this one a lot. This is the first one I made. The logo is just like mine, but black around it. Sleight of Hand. That's basically Speed Cola. And then over here, we got them both side by side. Black Ops 1 and 2 version, World at War version. It says Sleight of Hand, but it's actually Speed Cola. There's no difference. Sleight of Hand. So I like these two. These are kind of really yucky colors. But I used Hawaiian Punch, green, lemon, lime. So yeah. The next one is the Teddy Bear perk. Now this isn't actually a perk in the game. It's just from Origins. You know, when you hit the Wonder Fizz too many times, you guys should probably know this. When you hit the Wonder Fizz too many times, and it gives you the Teddy Bear perk, which is like the replacement for the Mystery Box Teddy Bear that you get. You get a Teddy Bear perk bottle, and that will be the end of the Wonder Fizz that is at that location. So, yes. Next, everybody's favorite, Quick Revive. This one is pretty nice. I just use plain old Hawaiian Punch blue. So, yeah. The next one is just the Wonder Fizz logo. Nothing funky about this. I don't know what that dot is. I'm gonna try to get it off. There we go. I don't know if I got it off. Yeah, so that's the Wonder Fizz one. It's just a Wonder Fizz logo. I like it. I think it's a really nice shade of blue. And next we have everybody's hate perk. Besides Tombstone, Who's Who. It's pointless. Well, it's helpful in some situations, but most of the time it's pointless. Let's move this back a little bit. some more lighting. So it's a nice blue. You can see it's a nice blue. So yeah. Next, we have the most godlike perk ever invented, PhD. It's obviously everybody's favorite in the world because you can't like anything else. This, I use like gloss paint. That's probably why it's like shiny and you can see it reflecting. I used grape juice and some water. Get like the right shade of purple. Like you can't see it's exactly like just plain old grape juice because then it would be like really dark. And the last one, we have Deadshot. Got that label. Got that label. I painted it black. I think it looks really, really cool. And then the last one that I just got done making along with the Vulturade. You guys might be thinking, where's Mule Kick? There we are. It's brown. I used 4 drops of red dye and water, 7 drops of yellow dye, and 2 drops of green dye to make Mule Kick. So that is my collection video. I have them in semi-rainbow order. Sort of. I don't know if that's exactly rainbow order. But we got the 3 red ones, the 2 orange ones, well, Tombstone, then both double taps, Stamina, Sleight of Hand, Speed Cola, Teddy Bear Perk, Quick Revive, Der Wonder Fizz, Who's Who, PhD, and Mule Kick, and the last but not least, Deadshot Daiquiri. But I am missing the removed perks. I have one of them, Ammo-matic. Basically, it like functioned if you drank it, you get a max ammo. I think it was never actually in the game. It was removed before Doris, I think it was, came out. So, yeah. That's the removed one, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, forgot to add, before I go, I just had to make this. I just had one of these lying around. You guys might be thinking, bandwagon, bandwagon, bandwagon. No, I've been like this since I was born. I like the Patriots. So, yeah. So, don't be calling me bandwagon. And then you guys saw before, we got my personal favorite gaming gear, Control Freak. Now, making this one was a little weird. It didn't quite fit around the bottle, so you can see it's like that. You got Control Freak. This one's just the same thing as the Speed Cola. I used Hawaiian Punch, Lemon Lime. So if you want to make these, that's what I just told you. There was a few that I might not have told you guys, but basically the blue ones you use, the blue ones to get the right shade of blue, you gotta use like blue Hawaiian Punch, which is like, I don't remember what it's called. And then you gotta use blue food dye. To make that one, you use like a bunch of crazy stuff. Deadshot, I use black cherry, and then I use grape juice. All that stuff is crazy. Stamina's pure Sunny D. I don't think I told you that, guys, on. But, so that's my update video, and I will see you guys in the next one.